Hello, this is Fiorella from Any House Cleaning. This is a house that we are doing. This is a move-in, move-out services. Sully is taking care of all the dust. All the ceiling fans are really dusty. If you can see here, all the blinds and the ceiling fans are really dusty. So she's using a big pole with the brush to take care of all the dust. Let me see and give you a zoom so she can reach the high ceiling, the pole, and later she's gonna dust all the blades. It's just removing the big dust, and then with the ladder, check it out, all the dust that she already picked up. Sacúdelo, and I'm gonna put a zoom in these blades. So with the brush, she's gonna remove the big dust, and then with the ladder, she's gonna wipe the ceiling fan properly. After she cleans everything that is high, all the corners, she's gonna take care of the kitchen, cleaning inside all the cabinets, wipe all the surface inside of the cabinets and outside, clean the kitchen, the oven, and then she's gonna clean the refrigerator, the sink, of course, inside the microwave, and the refrigerator inside. This house had a pet. I don't know, 1 dog or 2 dogs, I don't know, but you can see that there is a lot of pet hair. This is the back porch. And you can see pet hair, and there is a dog food in this area. Cleaning windows in and out, the sliding door window. Another ceiling fan here, vacuum all the carpets. All the ceiling fans are really dusty. Let's check. There is another room, more windows, ceiling fans. Shower. This is the master bathroom. All the baseboards needs to be clean. A lot of pet hair. I already put the product inside the toilet. Closet, a lot of tile. Have to do a lot of vacuum. A lot of hair on the floor and dust. Needs to be clean. The closet rails. Vacuum really good. Another closet here. There is a lot of pet hair on the edges. Laundry area. Dog food, pet hair. Baseboards. This is a move in, move out cleaning. Another room. Ceiling fan. Bathroom. I already put the product inside the toilet. Closet. There's a lot of vacuum to do. Another room. Another ceiling fan. Tile. Blinds. A lot of vacuum to do. That's the first thing that I'm gonna tackle. She already removed the big dust, and then she's gonna clean by hand. Thank you for watching, and this is Fiorella from Any House Cleaning. We have all the equipment. We have big poles to reach all kind of surface. Mira, Zuli. Zuli, mira. Lo metes así.
Ah, ok.
And there is another one here. Okay, this is Fiorella from Any House Cleaning. We use Ecolab cleaning products and professional commercial vacuum cleaners. This is a Pro Team HEPA vacuum. And you can contact us at 407-572-4118. Thank you for watching. Visit our website, anyhousecleaning.com.